How to open Raiffeisen Bank account. Visit the bank's website. On the home page you'll see the About Us and Network page. Gather your documents. Typically you'll need a valid passport or photo ID, proof of residence, tax identification number, depending on your country, and any additional identification the bank requests. Choose how you want to open the account. In some countries you can apply online, in others you may visit a branch. For business accounts, RBI offers a Group B account opening process online. Fill out your details, upload documents, sign contracts digitally. Sign the agreement and activate your account. After your identity is verified, either in branch or via video/online depending on country, you'll sign the agreement. Then you'll receive your account number, log in for online banking, and if applicable your debit card. Use your account. You can deposit funds, make transfers, manage your money via online/mobile banking. And that's the simple way to open a Raiffeisen Bank account. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.